Assalamualaikum my dear students, how are you? Hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah and me too. This is Abir Hossain Khan. All of you are welcome to NIBS OMI School. I am assistant teacher in National Ideal English Version School at day shift. Today I am gonna take a mathematics class for class 1 and our topic is division part 2, which is the included half yearly syllabus. Our lecture is 26 and HW is 20. You have to submit HW number 20 on next Saturday. Now let's go to start our class. First one, 24 divide 3. My dear students, you have to memorize the times table of 3. You know that 3 8s are 24. So here it will be 8 and here it is 24. 3 8s are 24 and then subtract 24 from 24, it will be 0. So the answer is quotient 8 and remainder 0. Hope my dear students you understood this one. Go to the next one. Here it is 45 divide 5. We know that 5 9s are 45. So here it will be 9 and 5 9s are 45. Then subtract 45 from 45, it will be 0. And the answer is quotient 9 and remainder 0. My dear students, hope you understood this one. Now go to the next question. This is 49 divide 7. 49 divide 7. You have to memorize just times table of 7 and it is, we know that 7 7s are 49. 7 7s are 49. So here it will be 7 and 7 7s are 49. Then subtract 49 from 49, it will be 0. So the answer is quotient 7 and remainder is 0. My dear students, you have to submit this on number 1, number 2 and number 3 as HW20 on next Saturday. Hope you understood and enjoy the class. Take care of yourself. See you soon and till then, Allah Hafiz.